Hi everyone, I'm Nick and welcome to this cardio plan. I am so excited to bring this plan to you. It's something that I've had in my mind for such a long time because I know how great it feels to do some of the Pilates Cardio classes and HiiT classes and some of the classes kind of outside of our platform that really help you to work up a sweat or maybe even go running, anything that kind of gets you moving at pace. But what happens when you keep meeting injury in your body, when you keep meeting resistance, when you kind of go like I get the endorphins, but my body isn't so sure about it? And that's exactly what this plan is about. So Claire is going to guide you this month on some amazing classes using lots of kind of bar techniques, isometric holds, weight, strength. I mean, she is a master of this. And what I'm going to do along with Anthea this month is guide you on some of the techniques, squats, lunges, looking at a little bit of weight bearing as well. How do you learn what you need to do in order to meet the challenge? And that's the point really, okay? Is that we can often have a desire to find something hard, like I want it to be hard because then it's going to do something. But what if hard is really your body being like, I can't do this? That's often what hard really is. And then what are you training into your body? So what I want you to try and find this month is challenge. Like, I've learned this strategy, now let's challenge it. And a challenge can be increasing the tempo, increasing the load, reducing the amount of support you've got. And that becomes a challenge then that you can meet and that you can enjoy, right? So that's what this plan is all about. It's helping you learn some techniques and then looking at challenging it. So it's a great plan to come back to time and time again. So let's get going.